and today we're going to be making walnut bread.
Walnut bread! Walnut bread!
And the ingredients are
Walnuts, sugar, powder, maida, milk, and eggs.
Okay, will you help me now?
Yeah.
Okay, pour it. All of it. Okay, now let's do this together. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Let's do a tapping song. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Come on. Tap, tap. It's like snow, Daria, look. Snow falling.
Like snow.
We're done. All the flour is ready. And we'll put eggs in here. Here, help Mama break the eggs. 1, 3. Wow! 1. Wow! Wow! Ready?
Ready, go.
1. Ah! 1 cup of sugar. Sugar, sugar, sugar. Sugar and the eggs. And now we have to beat it, not eat it. Ready?
Ready, go. Mama.
Yeah.
Help Mama.
Yes, help Mama. Okay, 1 minute. I'll tell you. Here. You help Mama like this. Okay? Okay. I need you to pour this. Look. Pour, pour. Yay! 1 cup. Okay, now can you pour a little bit of milk with Mama? You have to take 1/3 of the milk at a time. That's it. That's it. Just a little bit. Daria, help Mama mix. You have to mix, mix, mix. Look, look. It's so much fun. You have to mix it until you don't see the flour anymore. Now, we don't see the flour anymore. If you eat flour, you're gonna get a stomachache, Daria. Daria. See? It's all messy now. We need to put 1 more cup of flour. Okay, let's put in milk. Milk, milk. You wanna help me mix?
Yeah.
Okay, mix.
And the mix.
Okay, you mix. Mama help?
No.
Okay, you do. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, 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 mix. And then we have to do 1 more round. Can you fill this bowl for Mama? You want to use this to fill the bowl?
Yeah.
Use this. Okay, now fill the bowl in here. Put it in the bowl. Yay!
I want to.
Good girl! Yay!
And 1 more.
Okay, last one. Because that'll be too much flour. The last one.
1. Only last.
Okay, only last. Okay.
Too much.
Yes, now it's too much. That's it, Daria. Can you pour the milk for Mama? Okay, you're pour the milk. Perfect. Perfect, Daria. Now we're gonna mix in the last batch of flour and milk. Daria, help me mix. Okay.
I want to do it.
Okay, we'll do it later. Okay, let's.
I want to do it.
I'll do it. Okay.
Yeah.
You like the kishmish?
Kismet.
Daria loves her raisins. These are chopped walnuts and raisins that we're pouring in. Daria, can you help Mama mix in the walnuts and the raisins?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you pour this in this?
Yeah.
Slowly. Let's move this over closer to you. Okay. Is it fun?
Yeah. It's fun.
Now we're gonna have a slice of walnut bread. Do you like it?
Love it.
Daria, did you have fun making the walnut bread?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.